Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to have a look at what's in my toolkit when I start riding. And no matter the machines are very reliable these days, but you never know when things will go wrong. And for small repairs, it's always better to carry a small toolkit with you. And today I would like to present this toolkit which I use. This toolkit bag is from Dirt Sack and it cost me about 1,500 rupees. Now let's open it and see what's inside. As you can see, I'm not carrying too many tools, and there is space for a lot more tools here. But I'm just carrying the basics, and let me show you one by one what's inside. Again, in this zip there's nothing here, and in this zip there's a wrench here, plus some torque bits and some hexagonal driver bits. So these are from Stanley. It was a toolkit which I got. It came in a plastic case, and I've put them all into this Dirt Sack case here. This is a Phillips head, and yeah, this is what is in this one. And this one there are more. This is a flexible driver, and this is an attachment for the ratchet driver. These are different attachments here. These are to open nuts, and all this is a flexible head, and all this comes in the Stanley kit. Over here we have the ratchet driver. This is from company Stanley, and I bought it on Amazon. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And this is another flexible this is another adjustable wrench from Stanley, which I can use. It can be tightened, opened up, or closed this way. And this is a Phillips head screwdriver. This is a regular screwdriver, and this is a very useful tool. It's a pipe wrench, and I've found it very useful when I had to take out the battery from my Versys 650 bike, because the battery sits at an on angle and you're not able to get the fingers in. And this is very useful to kind of hold one of the tabs on the battery and pull it out. So yeah, this is what it is. And over here in this zipper we have Allen key set. We have an Allen key set, and this is an Amazon Basics Allen key set, as you can see here. Again, like I said, I'll leave in the description below all the links for the products. And this is all purchased by me, and nothing has been sponsored. This is as far as the basic kit goes. Now, as soon as I get into the bike, or when I start riding, I always have two very important things on me. This is the tire inflator, and this is from Portronics. This is very useful whether I'm going to just inflate my tires on once in 3-4 days, or in case there's a puncture and I have to inflate the tires. It's never too useful for me, and I always carry it. And this is a basic tire puncture repair kit from Stanley again. So these are the things which I carry in my tail bag, and I think these are the few basic things you should be carrying when you're on a ride, whether it's a short ride or a long ride, so to ensure peace of mind and safety. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.